Here is a mini ITX system I'm looking to sell. I built 2 of them just because I got a decent deal and I only need 1. I don't even think I need 1, but I got 2 of them anyway. Here's the case itself. You can tell it's pretty small. Here, for reference, you see how big it is. About that high. Pretty generic case. You could put your own little sticker on the front. Got 2 USBs in the front, power, and some annoying lights. The blue light there, it gets really bright. I'll show you on a running one in a minute. Inside the case, this one doesn't have a hard drive, but if you were going to put a hard drive in it, you would unscrew these 4 screws, and then screw the hard drive in to here, and then just screw this whole assembly back on. You could put 2 in here. I already hooked up the cables for the hard drive. It's just SATA. I got another one I was going to plug in too in case you want to put 2 hard drives in it. There's the processor there, the motherboard, of course, the RAM, and the power supply. The only real drawback to this case is that every now and then the power supply gets fairly loud, but you get used to it pretty quick. Back on here. Around the back. This way. Get your standard audio ports here. Most likely you won't be using it if you're using it for home theater. You got a network port. It's Gigabit, 10100 gigabit. You got 4 more USBs, HDMI, which is probably what you want to use, especially if you're going to use it for home theater. You have your display, serial, and printer port, and PS2s, and of course your power. There is a slot here. There is a slot here if you wanted to expand, add like a video card or something like that into it. But you will also need to get a riser card. See here, there's nowhere to plug it into, so you'll need to get a riser card for this. I believe they sell them on the case's website. I have no idea how much they are. I really don't care. I don't need one, but you could if you wanted to. Just a warning though, if you're putting in a high power video card, you want to upgrade the power supply. It's already pretty close to its limit. And that's all there is to this part. Of course, you get the driver disc. And here's the box that the motherboard came in. Here's the manual. And here's the memory case. It was a 8 gigabit pack, but I only use 4 gigabit in each system. If you need those, I'll give them to you. I don't care. And here's the box the case came in. You will get the box if you want it, but there will be a cutout on the side. I needed it for a rebate. Okay, I'm going to stop this video and I'll take a video of the one I got in action. Okay, here you can see the machine running on my TV here. It's a 55-inch TV, 1080p support, of course. Running okay there. And I don't know if I have it behind my TV, so I don't know how well you can see this. No, that won't work. Let's try this. There, you can almost see it. It's just sitting behind my TV there, and it's got a little wireless keyboard attached to it. I think I paid 20 bucks for that on Amazon. Works really good. And a little mouse. And I have a video here just to show you that it does work pretty well. one of the best movies of all time, Die Hard 3. And you can see it's fairly good quality. 1080p support, no problems. It does also do 3D if your TV does 3D side by side. You just load up the video, make it full screen, and put your TV in 3D mode and put your glasses on. No problems with that. I think that's it. I have the audio down.
We were just going to make a round on the vault floor if you want to tag along. Sure. I think I will.
So you can see it does pretty good. In my system here, I installed a 256 gig solid state drive. Does that make any difference? Probably not, since the video is loaded over a network. So you could probably install pretty much any laptop drive and get decent results. Yep, that's pretty much it. Like I said, the power supply does get fairly loud at times. You really can't hear it now because the heater's running. But if you like I have it sitting behind my TV, I really don't notice it unless I walk right up to it. Okay, I guess that's it. If you're interested, just let me know.